I cook an egg using only my computer? Let's find out. We need some sort of like flat top, like a nice little black stone right on here. We have to flip this GPU. So now we turn off the computer. There we go. All right, we got it off. Like there's so many open slots on here. If the egg leaks, it's cooked. It's over. Now it's time to cook the thing. I was gonna use a small frying pan. All right, I have an idea and I think this is gonna 100% work. I really like this shape, right? I got some aluminum foil right here. All right, here goes layer one. All right, so now my plan is to just cut around, take off the plastic, and we should have a perfect little bowl to cook on top of there. Something perfect. But I'm thinking I need to put one more at the bottom of this going outside, if that makes sense. Just so it seals all of like the layers over here. One more big one. All right, let's see if this will fit. Perfect. All right, so we got the egg in there, but I think I'm gonna whisk it up a bit because we're making scrambled eggs. This breaks my computer, I'm quitting. All right, so first we gotta plug in the oven and then we gotta let it preheat. There we go. Now to be honest, I don't wanna put too much in here. All right, so while this is preheating, this is actually a perfect time to see if there's any leak. There's none underneath. Let it sit there, marinate a little bit. All right, now for the moment of truth. I swear if this breaks, bro, please. No. All right, now the computer's not hot enough, so we're gonna play Call of Duty on max settings. I think I need to put the lid back on just to steam it as you would a regular egg. So boom, just slide it on. Triple. All right, so it's been in there for a while. We've been playing the game. Now let's see if it's been cooking. You guys see that? Then we gotta put it in there a little bit longer. All right, so I'm just gonna put the lid back on. I might go live and just play the game because this is taking longer than I expected. All right, so as you guys can see, it's cooking. Like the bottom of it is cooked, but the top's not. So I made a little lid for it. This back on. All right, so I got 2 OBSs open and Call of Duty running in the background. This thing should cook. I'm gonna eat it. It's been hours, bro. Dude, look at that. I'm actually getting egg. All right. I'm gonna take a nap, honestly. I'm over here sweating. I've been here for so long. All right, so I'm speeding this up by stress testing out the GPU. Hopefully this should cook way faster. Let's check this bad boy out. Can't believe it, look at that. Just a little bit more time and it would be perfect. All right, so I don't care anymore. Whatever it is, I'm gonna eat it. All right. Dude, look at the lid. And the best part, nothing on there. I don't know why it just shut off. Oh no. I'm cooked. All right, so this is what it's looking like. The bottom was cooked, guys. I just didn't want to scrape it too hard because I didn't want to make a hole. These are the creamy eggs that Gordon Ramsay makes. Put some ketchup on there. All right, so computer still doesn't turn on, but let's try these and rate them 1 through 10. I'm gonna try to get the cooked parts. I can't believe I'm doing this. If I get sick, at least it was worth it. Best eggs I ever had. So can you cook an egg in a computer? The answer is sort of, if you have all day.